I am ADRIA and today we are going to be doing this video where I'm just kind of cleaning up stuff, self-care, etc. So this is the room that me and the baby are currently staying in Kansas City. As I mentioned, I had to empty out my mom's house, so this is kind of the stuff that I didn't part with. This is really quick, but this probably took me like 3-4 hours to do. But nonetheless, we got it fairly nice. You'll see, like I said, at the end what it looks like. So now I'm using the Biore charcoal face wash. It's really good. It's really cleansing. It's supposed to clear out your pores without clogging them. Of course, using a paper towel to dry off my face instead of a towel or my hands. And then using the St. Ives Renewing Moisturizer, because my face be getting dry. Nonetheless, I use a lot of that, so I'm probably not going to rub it all in. I'm going to be looking all glowy, which I'm not mad about. So then these are some e.l.f. tweezers that I bought because I couldn't find my tweezers, but then I found them. So now I have even more tweezers. But yeah, just going in, plucky. My eyebrows go in really thick, so I haven't tweezed them probably this year. So this is my first time doing it. It went pretty quickly, but again, we're in fast motion because who's about to sit here and watch me tweeze my eyebrows for as long as it took me to tweeze them? It's not y'all or me. Got those nice and shaped up and thinned out and not so bushy looking and cleaned up, and yeah, so looking like a decent human being again. Now we're about to condition my hair, or we're technically about to wash it, but I'm gonna spritz the water and then put in some leave-in conditioner because my hair was feeling really dry. I hadn't done anything to it since before I had those wigs on, so it definitely needed some moisture. So this is a Miracle Moist conditioner from Aussie. Just putting conditioner all over my head, and then the baby started crying. So this is the next day because the baby started crying and she wasn't about to let me finish my hair. So now I'm re-wetting it because it had dried overnight. And then I'm going to actually apply the shampoo to my hair with the conditioner already in it because why not? I wasn't about to rinse the conditioner out to then put the shampoo on. It didn't make sense to me. So we're going to do that. When I rinse this out of my hair though, having the conditioner in and then the shampoo, for some reason my hair felt really dry. So I ended up adding some more conditioner to it to get that dry feeling out the way. Then I rinsed it out, and so now I've decided that we're about to do some just 2-strand twists. Tangling each section and then 2-strand twisting and repeating. I look like that rapper. I don't remember what his name is though. So again, here's another before the room. And then after. Looks nice and straightened up. We put the rugs down for the baby. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Give me a subscribe. Talk to you later.